welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Today I'll be showing you our weekly Friday grocery haul at one of our favorite stores. Well, one of our favorite stores for groceries, I should say, since we just saved so much going there. This haul we spent about $60 for the week for a family of 3. One of the things I like to do before I go grocery shopping and making my list is I like to shop in my pantry, fridge, and freezer, and just kind of seeing whatever leftover items I have, things are about to expire, which I did have a lot. So I had carrots left over, a lot of potatoes left over, and I had some fruits, you know, where it's just like a little bit of the bag left in there. And then I found some wild rice. So I was like, what can I make with that? So I found something really cool I'm gonna do with that. And so let's get to the grocery haul, and then I'll come back with the meal plan I have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for my family of 3 for the week. So we have a gallon of milk. If you're new here, I like to make my own Greek yogurt. I use about half of this container and then the rest for recipes. It's super easy Instapot Greek yogurt and it saves you a ton of money. And then we have some mandarin oranges and some mushrooms. These mandarins are super tiny. I don't know, have you ever seen them that tiny before? Usually they're a little bigger, but. And we have some bananas. This is definitely not enough for the week. We'll probably have to go back midweek for just a little checkup. Some brown rice, some black beans for my son's new favorite, black bean tacos. We have some cheese tortellini. This is the first time buying this from Winco. This is just for a lazy lasagna dinner. And we have some cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and of course butter, and some Parmesan for that lazy lasagna night. These are like the Club Cracker knockoff Winco brand. My son really likes them with peanut butter as a snack, so you can use the bag of flour to make your own if you have the time, but I will not have time for the next couple of days till Sunday to get the meal prep for the week going. So I bought the box. And then of course we have our bag of flour, which I do make our own bread, pancakes, and other things with it for the week. So you can do a lot with a bag of flour and it saves you a ton of money. It is a lot of prep work, I admit, but and some everything bagels that'll be just for breakfast or snacks. And 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And this took up a bite of my budget. I am going to be making some like meal in a jar, canning like a Swiss chard potato and sausage soup. So that should make about 7 meals that I can just open and go on busy nights. But that did, I think these were like $3.50 each. So. All right, so now we'll go over the meal plan for the week. So for pantry staples, which are things like sugar, salt and pepper, homemade taco seasoning, oregano, basil, baking powder, your oils, soy sauce, honey, ketchup, things like that. And what I already have from the pantry, where I go shopping in the pantry first before I make my meal plan, is I had some leftover potatoes from last week. I have this like wild rice mixture, and I think coconut. From the garden, I'll be using some celery, some Swiss chard, tomatoes, bell peppers, garlic, cilantro, and carrots. So meal plan for breakfast, we are still getting eggs from our chickens, so we'll be doing like eggs and toast, pancakes, yogurt and fruit, omelet, and garden fruit. And again, if you're new here, I make my own Greek yogurt from that gallon of milk. I use about half of it and then use the other half for recipes and whatnot. And the beans for the week, I'm actually pre-soaking those because I'm going to cook those tomorrow and I want them to soak overnight. And the other prep work I'm going to do is going to be making the bread. So I'm going to feed my sourdough starter and then I'll have that ready to go tomorrow. So, oh, and homemade hash browns with eggs too with the potato. And for lunch, it'll just be like leftovers from whatever's from dinner, some grilled cheese, some PBJs with some peanut butter still left over, Swiss chard salads with chickens or black beans. And dinner will be that lazy lasagna with some zucchini, Swiss chard, and the homemade garlic bread. And then we'll do one night, my son's favorite right now, is black bean tacos with homemade tortillas and wild rice mushroom potato soup. I made this and it was so good. It's like a vegan meal, and then I'll be making French bread to go with that on the side. Tomato soup with grilled cheese and a chicken veggie stir fry with bell peppers and rice. And then I'll be making like a honey, soy sauce, ginger sauce. And then we have snacks, which is like bagels, yogurt, crackers, and peanut butter. It's like my son lives off that, I swear. Smoothies, fruit, and blueberry yogurt muffins. So this is all pretty easy stuff. It is a lot of like prep work cooking from scratch, but that is a way to save money on your grocery bill is by making a lot of stuff from scratch. And all I do is I just shave out like a few hours one day, and then I just kind of make everything in advance. So that way the upcoming busy week, everything's all ready and I can just kind of take it from a Tupperware in the like the black beans in the fridge. If my son's hungry for like lunch, he can just scoop up the black bean tacos, put on the tortilla, eat. Let's see. Yes, so if you are interested in seeing any of the videos on these recipes, I do post them in my shorts on my video or on my channel. So you can go ahead and check that out this week. Thank you for watching.